दोस्तों अब एग्जाम्पल नंबर 11 सॉल्व करेंगे। इस एग्जाम्पल में द एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर ऑफ अ सर्कल, एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर ऑफ अ सर्कल इज गिवन। एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर OAXB is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is the formula. Area of minor sector is given here 3.85 is equal to theta is 36 upon 360 into pi 22 upon 7 into r square. R निकालना है. Find the radius. Okay. Then here 36 ones are 36, 36 ones are 36. This 10 put here. Then now simplify 3.85 into 10 into 7 upon 22 into r square. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay. Then now simplify here 11 ones are 11. Okay. Okay. 11 रहने दीजिए 11. 7 5s are 35. 3.85 multiplied by 35 multiplied by 11. Okay. Then now here 11 ones are 11 is equal to r square. We can write as it is. Okay. 11 multiplied by 11 ones are 11. 11 threes are 33. Okay. 33. To put here, then 0. Put here point. Okay. 11 ones are 11. यहाँ से 11 गए तो 9. Okay. Put 0 here. 11 8s are 88. Okay. 2 put here. Then this is enough. Okay. Then now 3.85 multiplied by 3.18 is equal to r square. Multiply this carefully. This is here 12. 3 3s are 9. That is 12.25 is equal to r square. Okay. Then now taking square root on both sides. R square is equal to 12.25. Okay. 25 means now taking square root on both sides. This is the square root of 35. That is 3.5. R is equal to 3.5 centimeter. This is the final answer. Write down or screenshot, my dear friends. Thank you.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, अब एग्जाम्पल नंबर 12 सॉल्व करना है। क्वाड्रिलेटरल PQRS is a rectangle. If PQ is equal to 14 centimeter, QR is equal to 21 centimeter. Find the area of part X. X is the area of sector. Okay. Given is right here. Given length PQ is equal to 14 centimeters. Sorry, this is the breadth. And length QR is equal to 21 centimeter. Okay. This is PQ is 14. Therefore, QM is also 14. Okay. Now we can write here QM plus MR is equal to QR. QM is 14 plus MR is equal to QR is 21. This 14 goes towards RHS. It becomes minus. Therefore, MR is equal to 21 minus 14 is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. That is MR is 7 centimeter. This is also NR is also 7 centimeter. Okay. Then now we can write here most important point. First we can find the length area of rectangle. What is the area formula of area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of a rectangle PQRS is equal to length into breadth. Okay. Length is 21 into breadth is 14. Multiply this carefully. Is equal to 20, 14 ones are 14. We can write here 14 one by hand. 14 twos are 28 and one by hand 29 cm square. That is area of rectangle PQRS, or we can write here rectangle. Okay, simple. Okay, centimeter square, sorry, centimeter square area. Okay, then now first we can find, this is the equation number first. We can find for sector X. We have the formula for area of sector X is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Then now putting the given values, this is the formula. In this formula we put the given values. Area of sector X is equal to theta is 90 degree. Every angle of a right angle is, every angle of a rectangle is a right angle, upon 360 into pi 22 upon 7, r is 14 into 14. Then now simplify here. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Okay. Then these two zeros are cancelled. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. Okay. Then now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Then now 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. Remaining numbers are here 11 multiplied by 14. Okay. Therefore we can write here area of sector X. Sector X is equal to, sector X is equal to 14 ones are 14. 1 by hand 14 ones are 14 and 1. 154 centimeters square. This is the area of sector X. This is the answer for first question. Okay. Then now for sector Y. Attention here. Area of, we can write the same formula. Okay. Area of sector Y is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is the formula. Then now putting the given values, theta is equal to 90 degree, 360 into pi 22 upon 7, and radius of y is equal to here 7. Sector, attention to the sector Y. Radius is 7. That is 7 into 7. This 7 get cancel. Okay. Then now this 0 also cancel. 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36. Okay. Then now 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Then now remaining terms are here. Area of sector Y is equal to area of sector Y is equal to remaining terms here 11 into 7. 11 into 7 divided by 2. Okay. 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. 140 here. 2 fives are 10. Okay. That is 5.5 into 7. Then finally we can write here the answer of area of sector Y. area of sector Y is equal to 7 5s are 35, 3 by hand, 7 5s are 35 and 3 38. Point here one digit, we can put here digit, that is 38.5 centimeter square. This is the answer for area of sector Y. Then now, my dear friends, this is the area of rectangle we can find here. Okay. Then now, area of Z, sector Z or region Z is equal to area of rectangle minus area of sector X minus area of sector Y. Okay. Putting the given values, area of rectangle in equation 1, 294 minus area of sector X is 154 minus area of sector Y is 38.5. Subtracting carefully. 4 minus 4, 0. 9 minus 5, 4. 2 minus 1, minus 38.5. Okay. We can take here 0.0, then minus. Very easy is that area of sector Z is equal to, subtracting carefully my dear friends, please. तुम्ही करायचं आहे subtracting. Area of sector Z is equal to, करा ही subtraction, centimeter square. ओके, एकदम सोपा आहे मित्रांनो, रफ वर्क मध्ये करायचं आहे. 140.0 minus 38.5. Okay, 0 minus 5 is not possible. Take from this 3, here 9 and here 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 0, 105. 101.5. 101.5 centimeter square is the final answer. This is the rough work. Okay, write down or screenshot my dear friends. Okay, यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब जरूर करियो दोस्तों. ओके, नमस्कार दोस्तों. अब प्रैक्टिस सेट 7.3 13 number example, that is last example. In triangle LMN is an equilateral triangle. We have the property of equilateral triangle. Each angle is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Then each side LM is equal to 14 centimeter. LM is equal to 14 centimeter. And here another point is given here. Drawn vertices as the center of radius. R is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. And triangle LMN is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, angle L is equal to angle M is equal to angle N is equal to 60 degree. This is the most important point. Each angle is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Then find the area of triangle LMN. Area of triangle LMN. We have area of equilateral triangle LMN is equal to root 3 upon 4 into side square. Okay, into side square. This is the formula. Then now putting the given values. Put here is equal to root 3 upon 4 into side is given here 14. 14 into 14. Okay. Then now simplify here. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 1, 2 7s are 14, that is root 3 into, root 3 into 7 7s are 49. We have the value of root 3 is approximately 1.73 into 49. Therefore, finally we can write here the value of area of equilateral triangle, area of equilateral triangle LMN is equal to, multiply करो my dear friends, ये multiply आएगा 84.87 centimeter square. This is the most important answer for first question. Then now second question, area of any one of the sectors. One sector, second sector, and this is the third sector. We can find one area of one sector, then every sector is to be same. Therefore, second point is that area of sector LXZ is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is the formula. Then now putting the given values, my dear friends. Okay. Theta, every angle is 60 degree. 360 into pi, 22 upon 7, r 7 into 7. Radius is 7. This is also 7. This is also 7. 7 each side. LX is 7. XM is also 7. And 7 plus 7, 14. Then now simplify here. This 7 get cancel. Then now this 0 get cancel. 6 1s are 6. 6 6s are 36. Then now here 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Then remaining terms here 11 into 7 divided by 3. Okay. Then now 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. To put here, take 0, then point. 3 6 are 18. Also 2. 3 6 are 18. ये चलते रहेगा. यहाँ पे लास्ट में आएगा 3.66 into 7 or 3.6, whatever it may be, one and the same. ये प्रोडक्ट करो, ये आएगा my dear friends, area of sector LXZ is equal to, multiply करो, sector आएगा 25.67 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, ये आया है इसका 25.67. इसका भी आएगा, सेम आएगा 25.67 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. That is, we can find the third question. Total area of all three sectors. Total area, answer for third question, my dear friends. Okay, answer for second question. Answer for second question. Okay, area of sector, any one sector, area of total area of three, area of 3 sectors is equal to 3 into area of any one sector. Okay, any one sector. Then now putting the given values. Total area of 3 sectors is equal to 3 into area of any one sector, 25.67. 25.67. Multiply carefully. We get answer here, my dear friends. Okay. Area of 3 sectors is equal to 3 multiplied by 7, 21. 2 put here. 3 multiplied by 6, 18. Then 2, 20. 3 multiplied by 5, 15, 16, 17. 1 put here. 3 multiply 6 and 1, 7. Here 2 digits are here. Therefore take here 77.01. We can write here properly. 77.01 centimeter square is the area of 3 sectors. Then now next question, area of shaded portion. Answer for fourth question. Area of shaded portion is equal to area of equilateral triangle LMN minus area of 3 sectors. Okay, then putting the given values, area of LMN is 84.87 is equal to 84.87 minus 3 sectors 77.01, area of 3 sectors. Okay, then now here subtraction, 7 minus 1, 6, this 8 as it is. Okay, 8 minus 7, 77, 3 and 4, 7, that is 7.86 centimeter square is the final answer. Answer for fourth question. Okay, थैंक यू। यदि वीडियो आपको पसंद है तो लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो दोस्तों। थैंक यू।